This is one of the turtles that we are hatching. It's coming out trying to out of the egg. It's moving, as you can tell or see. You just haven't. It's like one of its foot stuck to the egg, so it can't get fully out of the egg, but it's still moving around at least. It's one of the eggs that we have in the tank in here, and it's like an incubator that we're using. Oh.
Set him in here.
Is he stuck?
It's a little wet. Set him in there, Jim.
Hmm.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, he's moving around a lot.
See, I don't want to pull that off because it's stuck to his foot.
Yeah.
Don't rip his foot off. Dude, seriously, it feels like paper.
Is that one hatching too? Oh, yeah, it's moving. And then so is that one right there.
Wait, how is this gonna work?
You see his head, Jen? Sticking out.
Oh, yeah.
It's like,
Probably can't get a good angle.
how is this plan gonna work?
Oh, he fell.
He wants me in the turtle limp every time he gets open.
I don't want to pull on it. I don't want
You have like huge eyes for a little baby.
I know.
to stuck.
I know.
Oh, yeah, it is stuck right there, yeah. Yeah, he'll just have to get free of it, because it's like the yolk's probably sticking to it. I'm not a scientist, but that's probably what's happening.
You know what I should do is get like a water dropper. And
Maybe slide it out.
Yeah.
Help little Timmy. Does he do like the name of Timmy?
maybe they got claws already.
Yeah, let's see.
Dude, I'm guessing that's a boy.
Oh. She doesn't like the live light.